Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to your Bitget wallet. So first you want to select Toncoin on our Tonkeeper wallet, and then after that you want to click on send. After clicking on send, here it will drag you here, so we need to get the wallet address of our Bitget wallet. So we want to head on to our wallet and then just click on add funds. And you want to click on deposit crypto, and then we're going to have to search for Ton or Toncoin. So make sure you search that, click on Ton. There we go. And then we're gonna have our wallet address, so we just want to click that clipboard so we can copy it. There we go. And then we want to get back on our Tonkeeper to paste this address we copied. There we go. And then just click on continue, and you can now set an amount of ton you want to withdraw. So that is how you withdraw or transfer your Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bitget wallet. Thanks for watching.